Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate a few camera tricks and tips for this Motorola Moto E13. So to begin with, let me quickly launch the default camera app. So the first tip that I wanted to give you guys is how you can manually adjust the, shot brightness that you are about to take. In order to do that, you have to simply touch and hold somewhere at the viewfinder, doesn't really matter where. As you can see, this manual bar appears, which allows you to change the exposure or, the photo brightness, like that. Alrighty, moving on to the next option, which you can access by going into the camera settings over here. So that's a very cool feature that is discoverable at the AI setting section of settings. It is the option's name is gesture selfie, and once enabled, it makes it so that if you show your palm to camera, it will automatically take a photo without you having to necessarily tap at the shutter button. So as you can see, if I'll show my palm to the camera, the countdown or the timer starts, and in 3 seconds it will take the photo. Alrighty, the next tip you can also find at the settings of camera, and this option allows you to turn off the shutter sound. So if you do not want for your camera to produce a click or a distinguished sound each time you are making a photo, just turn off this toggle over here. And at last, the final option that I wanted to share with you guys, it is discoverable at the same section of settings, that is capture settings. It is called the leveler, and once enabled, as you can see, this little line appears, which allow you to make sure that you are taking a straight and aligned picture. So as you can see, once I tilt my phone, the leveler tilts accordingly, and if I will set my shot straight, the leveler will get straight as well. So that's a very convenient way to ensure that your shot is going to be, straight and aligned and leveled, should I say. Alrighty, so that would be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.